So this is a new question coming from lead code problem number 1721, swapping nodes in a linked list. 5,200 upwards. It's medium marked. I would rate it as easy. Previously has been asked in Adobe, Amazon, and Bloomberg. You are given the head of a linked list and an integer k. You need to return the head of the linked list after swapping the values. Can you see? You have to just swap the values of the kth node from beginning and kth node from the end. So for example, if k is given as 2, you have to swap the values from the second node from the start and the second node from the end. As simple as that. Okay. So this question is very similar to the last question that you did around removing the nth node from the last. Now, if you remember, then to remove the nth node from the last, you wanted to get the third last node from the last, right? But here we do not have to do any removals. I just want to get the nth node from the last. Let's say n is equals to 2. So what we were doing was, initially we were moving fast. We were keeping a fast variable and we were moving it n times. Instead of moving fast n times, if you move fast n minus 1 times. So can I say it will be having the nth node from the start? Yes or no? Or maybe you can do something like this. You can still move fast n times. Then you can introduce a slow. Then you can move both of them one by one. Here. Right? Or let's do one thing. Not like this. So let's say if n is equals to 2, we are going to move fast n minus 1 times. Okay, let's do it like this. So fast is here. N minus 1 times means just one jump. So now fast is here. And can I say this is the second node from the start? So I will store it as, let's say, A. And now I will initialize a variable slow and move both of them. Now, can I say slow is now pointing to the nth node from the last? We can call it as B. And now you can just swap the values of 3 and 8. Just swap the values. Put 8 here, put 3 here. So this question is exactly same as taking the, like removing the nth node from the last. The only trick is to remove the nth node from last, you need the access to the n plus 1th node from the last. Here you do not have to get access, here you do not have to do any removals. So you have to get the access of the exact nth node from the last. To get the access of the exact nth from the node from the last, we are going to move fast n minus 1 times and then move both fast and slow together. And then move both fast and slow together. And that's when slow will be pointing to the nth node from the last. And initially, wherever you stopped fast was the nth node from the beginning. And then you can just swap the values. The time complexity of the overall solution should not be more than order of n. Very, very simple question, I would say.
So before moving forward in the video, I would like to tell you about the brand new offering of Algocamp, which is the Lambda 5.0 course. So this is the 5th iteration of the flagship advanced backend development course with Node.js, but this time it's bigger and better. This time Algocamp has introduced a lot of new projects. The whole ecosystem is going to be more AI powered. There are projects including Lovable Clone, your own AI fitness tracker, own AI interview planner and interview prep, I would say, tool. There is some deep engineering concepts around distributed transaction using which you're going to make a payment system or a payment wallet system altogether. There's going to be a workflow manager project. You're going to try to understand how exactly you can use the concepts of, let's say, CDC in order to implement different projects. A lot of deep technical projects and deep technical understanding you are going to get. This particular course is going to focus on making sure that you understand the system architectures and deep system concept that a lot of senior engineers are always involved with, and try to make projects on top of that. You are going to see actual scaling strategies, replication strategies, how you can make sure that your system is fault tolerant, and concepts around, let's say, Kafka, concept around Redis and whatnot. There is so many different projects that are actually added, including a WhatsApp system, something like a Netflix-like system, a Twitch-like system, a lot of AI-powered tools. We are going to actually make something like Lovable Clone and whatnot. Do check out the link in the description section below. Get the idea about all the projects that you are going to get and build. This is something that will take you from an absolutely beginner level backend developer to a very advanced level backend engineer altogether. We have received such great testimonies from the last set of batches, and people are actually loving what we have already built, but this time we have made sure that this is bigger and better. So do check out the link in the description section below and use this coupon code to get massive discounts on the current price. And now let's go back to the video.
So just to revise around the approach, if you remember, to remove the nth node from the last, to remove the nth node from the last, let's say this is the nth node from the last. To remove it, you wanted to get access to the n plus 1th node from the last. But now we do not need to do that. Okay. To get the access to the n plus 1th node from the last, how many times you were moving the fast variable? To get the access to the n plus 1th node, you were moving fast n times. Can I say that? Let's say n is equals to 2. You want to delete this node, but you need to get access to the node 2. So what you were doing, you were moving fast 2 times. Okay, 2 times. Now here we do not need access to the n plus 1th node from the last because we don't want any deletion. We only need to get access to the nth node from the last. So how about instead of moving fast n times, you move fast n minus 1 times. If you move fast n minus 1 times, can you see? Fast is now pointing to the nth node from the start because if you do 1 based indexing, this is 1 and 2. Can I say that? So fast was already at 1. You move it one more time, you'll be at the beginning. And from here, you can keep slow at head, fast here, and then move both of them together. At last, when fast will be at the tail, slow will be pointing at the nth node from the last. As simple as that.